A very good morning, my dear students. Welcome to 8th class IIT Physics online class. Our first chapter name is Vectors and Scalars. Synopsis 3. In this lesson, we will discuss about uniform motion and non-uniform motion. A body is said to be in uniform motion if it travels equal distances in equal interval of time. A body is said to have non-uniform motion if it travels unequal distance and equal time interval. For example, consider a car moves from one position to another position, here taken 16 meters in 8 seconds time. Here the car starts 0 and after 2 seconds it position A to B. Then next 2 seconds 4 to 8 meters. Next 2 seconds 8 to 12 meters. Next 2 seconds 12 to 16 meters. In this case, the car covers total distance of 16 meters in 8 seconds with equal interval of 2 seconds. It means the distance covered by the car directly proportional to the time. Distance is 16 meters and time 8 seconds. From this illustration, we can conclude that the car had travelled equal distances in equal interval of time. So, this type of motion is known as uniform motion. Another example. Consider a car moves from one position to another position about 16 meters distance with time t 8 seconds. Here the car starts from 0 to 2 seconds. It reaches position A covering a distance of 2 meters from the origin. It reaches position B covering distance is 8 meters from origin. Next 2 seconds it reaches C covering distance 10 meters from the origin, and next 2 seconds it reaches D. In this case, the car covers a distance 16 meters in each second. From this illustration, we can conclude that the car had travelled unequal distances in equal interval of time. So, this type of motion is known as non-uniform motion. Now, differences between distance and displacement. Distance means total length of the path travelled by the object. Displacement means is the shortest distance. Listen carefully. Distance means an object travelled total length of the path. Displacement means that is the shortest distance. Distance under consideration when it moves from its initial position to final position. Displacement, shortest distance between the initial and final position of the moving object. Distance is a scalar quantity. Scalar means what? Scalar means only having magnitude, not there any direction, that is called the scalar. Displacement is the vector quantity. Vector quantity means that having direction and magnitude, both combination, that is called the vector. Distance travelled by an object is always positive. Displacement of an object can be negative position, that is the positive or 0, depending on the reference point. Distance between two given points may be same or different. It depends on the path chosen in going from initial point to final point. Displacement between two given points is always same. Distance value can never be less than the value of displacement. Listen carefully. Distance value never be less than the value of displacement. Displacement, it can either be equal to or less than the distance traveled. It is denoted by small d. Displacement denoted by small s. SI unit of distance is meter, that is small m. Displacement SI unit is meter, that is also small m. Once again listen. Difference between distance and displacement. Distance, it is a total length of path moved by a body in certain interval of time. Displacement is the shortest distance between initial and final position. Distance is a scalar quantity, that is, it has only magnitude. Displacement is a vector quantity, that is, it has both magnitude and direction. Distance magnitude depends on the path followed by the object. Displacement magnitude does not depend on the path followed by the object. It can be more than or equal to the magnitude of the displacement. Displacement magnitude can be less or equal to the magnitude of the distance. Remind it, distance is always positive. Displacement can be both positive as well as negative. Distance is not necessary that distance will be 0 if displacement also 0. Displacement is 0 if distance is 0, but it can be 0 even if distance is not 0. Let us assume that uniform motion. This is the 1.3 meter per second in a marathon. 3 meter per second, one body moving one position to another position. Uniform motion means a body is said to be in uniform motion, that having constant distance in a time interval. Constant distance covered into total time duration equal total distance covered. That is the 3 meter per second in a 1 minute time. Total distance covered is, what is that? 3 meter per second into 3 minutes. 3 minutes means that is the 60 seconds. 3 meter per second into 60 seconds. 3 6 are 18. 180 meters. 180 meters. Second cancel. Here uniform motion. 3 meter per second into 10 into 60 seconds. That is the 1800 meters. Distance by unit time equal to speed. Speed means what? Distance by unit time. What is the speed units? We already discussed. Speed unit is meter. Then SI unit of speed is meter per second. Here centimeter per second or meter per hour, kilometer per hour. These are the SI unit of speed. Next one. Again that 3 meter per second moving. That time we are consider that walking, running, riding a bicycle, being in a car. For example, we taking the first one, walking. Walking of an object or walking on a position of person. Traffic. Traffic lights, busy crowded areas. But in this whole position we have discussed in the constant time interval and constant distance. Next one, non-uniform motion. Speed is not constant. Speed is not constant. What is the speed here? Next one, non-uniform motion definition what? A body is said to be in a motion. Here not there any time interval. Then next, time and speed also not constant. Rate of motion, that equal average speed. Speed means distance by time. Rate of motion, average speed. A body moving position A to B, that is the 60 meters. That is distance is 60 meters. Body here not constant speed. Not there any time taken. Covered 60 meters in 60 seconds. What is the average speed? Average speed means total distance covered by an object in a unit time. Total distance covered by a unit time, elapsed time, that is the average speed. Here total distance what? 60 meters by 60 seconds. 60 cancel, that is the 1 meter per second is the average speed. What is that? Average speed is here 1 meter per second. Speed or average speed standard unit what? 1 meter per second. That means meter per second is the standard unit of the average speed. Covered 60 meters in 1 minute time. What is the average speed? 60 meter per second. Then 60 meter by 1 minute. That is not correct. 60 meters by 60 seconds. 1 minute means 60 seconds. 120 meters in 1 minute time. 120 by 60 seconds. What is that meter per second value? 120 by meter per second. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Now 120 meter by 60 seconds. 61s are 62s are. That is the 2 meter per second is the non-uniform motion. 120 meters covered distance in a 1 minute time, that is the average speed. Here one body moving one position to another position, covered distance in constant, but time is not constant and speed is not constant. Here first we can take the rest position 0 meter per second, after 2 meter per second, next one total 7 meter per second. Speed at each instant, instantaneous speed. What is that? Here speed is not constant, but that is called the instantaneous speed. Speed and velocity. Speed, rate an object covers a distance. Speed means rate of an object covers a distance is called the speed. That is the scalar quantity, magnitude, but not there any direction. Units of measures are meter per second or kilometer per hour. A plane travels 500 miles in 1 hour time. Velocity. Velocity means speed of an object in a direction. This is the vector quantity. Magnitude and direction are both having, that is called the vector quantity, which having measurements 50 meter per second, 45 kilometer per hour west. 50 meter per second, that is only speed. Let's calculate speed. Speed equal to what is the distance by time. A body covered distance in a equal time interval, that is called the speed. Here we can take the one object moving, one person moving one position to another position. Here 100 meter for 25 seconds, that equal to 4 meter per second. A train travels 100 miles west in 2 hours. What is the velocity of the train? Train moving 100 meter for 2 hours. That means 50 meter per hour west side, that is the velocity. Now acceleration. Acceleration means the rate of change in velocity. The rate of change in velocity is called the acceleration. Now one body moving in a constant speed. Here accelerating means rising point. Here we can take the car, bus, motorbike. So many are there. Velocities are changes. Acceleration exist. What is the definition? The rate of change of velocity is called the acceleration. Here velocity change is also called the acceleration. Exit. First we can take constant speed 80 km per hour. Second one, constant speed 1000 km per hour, that is the plane. A car travels constant speed, that is the 80 km per hour. Plane travel constant speed 1000 km per hour. Here what is the acceleration? That is none. Why? Because no acceleration. Here not there any rising point. Acceleration means what? High speed. Not. High speed not. Acceleration means the rate of change in velocity. The rate of change in velocity is called the acceleration. Velocity means what? Speed plus direction. That is the vector quantity. Here 0 km per hour to in a time 5 seconds 20 km per hour. Here rising position velocity is changing, that is 0 km per hour to 20 km per hour in a 5 seconds velocity is changed. Next 30 km per hour to velocity changed. Next 30 km per hour to not there any change. Here total constant velocity, that is not acceleration. Velocity change, rate of velocity change, that is called the acceleration. Here change in direction or change in velocity, that is constant speed, that is 30 km per hour, 30 km per hour, and lastly 30 km per hour. Here change in direction and change in velocity. How is acceleration calculated? Acceleration is defined as the rate of change of velocity. Acceleration equal change in velocity by time, delta v by t. Delta denotes here changes. Initial velocity u to final velocity v. Here time taken t. A equal to v minus u by t. Next, position A to an object moving another point B, that is the 10 meter per second. That is 10 meter per second. That is called acceleration or not? Here acceleration means v minus u by t. U equal to 0. V equal to final velocity, that equal to 10 meter per second. Taken time 5 seconds. Here acceleration 10 meter per second minus 0 meter per second by 5 seconds. Total 10 meter per second by 5 seconds. 10 divided by 5, that equal to 2 meter per second by second. Here meter by second into second, second square. Meter per second square. What is the acceleration unit? Meter per second by second equal to meter per second square. Acceleration units are meter per second square. 2 meter per second square. Acceleration 2 meter per second square. Vector quantity, acceleration, velocity, both are same direction, that is called the acceleration. Next one, acceleration and deceleration. Acceleration, everyday terms, an acceleration refers to an increase in speed. Deceleration, everyday terms, a deceleration refers to a reduction in speed. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. Deceleration is the negative acceleration. Acceleration happens when there is a resultant force on an object in any direction. Deceleration takes place when a resultant force acts on an object in the direction opposite to the direction in which it is moving. That is called the deceleration. Dear students, I hope all are understood today's topics. Thank you and God bless you all.